This video covers how to cite a page from the Occupational Outlook Handbook, the OOH, in MLA format. You might notice that the OOH has a suggested citation at the bottom of each page, but don't use it. It's not in MLA citation style. Open your works cited list in Word and format it in MLA style first. Times New Roman, 12-point font, double-spaced, and hanging indent. If you need to, pause this video and watch our video on MLA formatting in Word. I'm going to refer to the library's sample works cited list for career sources to help me with this citation. The link is in this video description. We only need to change 3 things about this citation to cite a different OOH page. The OOH doesn't have an author, so we're going to skip it and start the citation with the title of the career page. Start with quotation marks, and then type the page title exactly the way you see it on the OOH, capitalizing every word. End it with a period and quotation marks. The next part of the citation will be the website title, Occupational Outlook Handbook, and publisher information. The publisher is the Bureau of Labor Statistics. We also need to include the words Department of Labor and United States, all separated by commas. I'm going to copy and paste that part from our sample works cited list, since this information is the same for any page you cite from the OOH. Right-click and copy. In your Word document, right-click and use the Merge Formatting option under Paste, so the text you're pasting stays in the MLA style you already set up. Just make sure that Occupational Outlook Handbook is in italics. MLA puts web page titles in quotation marks, but web site titles in italics. The next part of the citation is the date of the page. You can find that towards the bottom of the page under Last Modified Date. We need to write this date out MLA style though. When you write dates in MLA format, start with the date, then the month. Abbreviate any month 5 letters or longer. Then end with the year and a comma. The last part of the citation is the link to the page. Copy and paste it from the browser address bar, then use the right-click Merge Formatting Paste option again to paste. Delete the https:// from the beginning of the link and put a period at the end. Double-check to make sure your citation follows the formatting in our example. If you have any questions about the OOH or MLA format, contact a librarian.